Shark WV201 WANDVAC Handheld Vacuum, lightweight at 1.4 pounds with powerful suction, charging dock, single-touch empty and detachable dust cup. Dust cup capacity 0.08 quarts. Unbelievable suction delivered by a high-speed, brushless motor. Ultra-lightweight and balanced hand vacuum at just 1.4 pounds for maneuverability and easy cleaning. Tapered nozzle for easy pickup of large debris and fine dust. Zero in on tight spaces and car cleaning with the duster crevice tool, and use the multi-surface tool for upholstery, carpets, and pet hair. Ion charging dock for quick access, fast charging and convenient accessory storage. Cleaning path width 3.6 inch. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.